news, first a look at the headlines. Outlay on new and proposed government schemes indicates poor enforcement of annual revenue plan. Scheme enforcement not even 25% of earmarked budget. A special report. Now hotel owners, garage owners and others in mining areas demands government's package. Why restricted to truck owners and job losers? Question allied entrepreneurs. Food adulteration cases on the rise. Prudent experiments simple techniques with FDA to check food adulteration at common man kitchen. Watch special report. There are differences within BJP, admits Wilfred Mesquita. Government's assurance of zero tolerance to corruption yet to be fulfilled. Wants government to cut down on luxuries. Mesquita in Prudent's counterpoint program. Congress takes on Chief Minister's package declaration to mining dependents. Demands expansion of package for Ponda, Murmuga and Bardes. Blames government of favouring its cadre. Now the news in detail. The ambitious schemes of Parrikar-led government haven't taken off as expected. Post-mining crisis, after hard efforts, government succeeded in launching its Ladli Lakshmi and Griha Aadhar schemes. But barring Kamadhenu, the outlay on these newly launched and proposed schemes indicates poor enforcement of annual revenue plan budget. The figures till date indicate that the enforcement of new schemes under revenue plan may not touch even 25% of earmarked budget. Finance Minister is set to present his second budget next Monday. On this backdrop, a special report.
The government launched its ambitious Ladli Lakshmi scheme, which provides assistance of 1 lakh for a Goan bride. Under Griha Aadhar, housewife gets a monthly allowance of 1,000 rupees. The budget allocation for both the schemes is 150 crores each. But till date, outlay under Ladli Lakshmi is only 33 crores, benefiting 3,100 brides. 4,000 brides are still awaiting. Almost 10,000 marriages are registered in Goa annually. Outlay under Griha Aadhar is just 6 crores till date, benefiting 16,000 housewives and 30,000 housewives still awaiting the benefit. Government launched improvised cyber age scheme, which to provide tablets or notebooks for the school students in standard 5th and 6th and the laptops for students in standard 11th. The scheme for tablets had a budget provision of 40 crores, while the laptop scheme had 55 crores earmarked. Students have not yet seen a single tablet or a laptop. Post-mining crisis, suffering severe economic setback, government avoided launching its ambitious minimum employment guarantee scheme. The scheme had a budget allocation of 30 crores. Besides this, the Chief Minister had also announced freezing of LPG cooking gas rates for 5 years in the budget. Though the scheme did not have any budget allocation, that too was kept in the cold storage. Goikars bought the LPG cylinders at market rate of 950 rupees in February and March. Besides this, there were schemes for journalist welfare, housing loan for police employees and house tax waiver in panchayat areas. All the three schemes had a budget provision each ranging from 6 to 10 crores. Of these, only the house tax scheme has been launched till date with compensation of just 4 crores to the panchayats towards house tax waiver. Government had also declared infrastructure cluster development scheme worth 163 crores in the budget. Government is facing financial crunch for the scheme. Besides this, there was a scheme for underground cabling worth 40 crores. When officials were questioned about the enforcement, they were unaware. The predecessor government had launched Swarna Jayanti health insurance scheme to compensate for expenditure on medical treatments in the hospitals. The total annual installment for beneficiaries amounted to almost 10 crores. Incumbent government just allocated a sum of 2 crore 53 lakhs for the scheme and suspended the scheme by January, saying it wants to revise the scheme. Almost 1,50,000 Goans had these health cards of ICICI Lombard. Amongst these, the scheme which burdens the treasury most is the Dayanand Social Security Scheme, with beneficiaries touching over 1,10,000 mark, an annual budget of almost 270 crores, considering old age pension of 2,000 per month. Now the government says it has pushed some of its proposed schemes in the next financial year. CM Parrikar says he won't let government down, will raise the revenue, but won't deprive beneficiaries. With the new annual budget just a week away, Goaikars are eager to watch Parrikar magic. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Garage owners, hotel owners and other miscellaneous categories in the mining belt are also demanding some kind of relief package at par with the packages declared for mining dependents by Chief Minister on Saturday. Various business owners are also expecting government relief now. Mayur Naik reports.
आमी गॅरेजवाले आसा आनी त्या गॅरेजवाल्यांनी थोड्यांनी खुबशे जाणांनी रीण बीण काडून गॅरेजी चालू केल्ली आसा आनी त्या गॅरेजीची अशी परिस्थिती जाल्या तर तांकां कांयच आदार ना जालो आसा आनी जे ट्रक चलताले त्या ट्रका वयल्यान आमी कितें जोडटाले आनी आमचें पोट चलतालें पूण आतां अशी परिस्थिती येयल्या की कितें करूं तें सजमना म्हणटकूच ताका लागून आमी सरकारा कडेन मागता की आमकांय बी कितें एक पॅकेज दिवची आनी आमकांय बी हितूंतल्यान मातशें साल्वार करचें.
आमकां आतां 5 वर्सां जाल्या कामां लागल्या आनी आतां 6 ते 7 म्हयने जाल्या की आमकां कामाचें काडून उडयल्या कंपनीन. तेन्ना ह्या सरकारान जी आमकां स्कीम दिल्या आयच्या पेपरार आमी पळयल्या की आमकां 3 ते 12 म्हटलें तेणें आमकां कितें दिता म्हणून आमची एक ते सरकारा कडेन कळोवणी आसा की तेणें आमकां 6 ते 12 दिवचें आमकां अशी एक आमची मागणी आसा. आनी तशेंच आतां जे गव्हर्मेंटान पोस्ट काडला सरकारान ते आमकां जाता ते बेगीन घेवचे कारण आमी 5 म्हयने जाल्यार कामाचे घराटे आसा आनी आमकां कांय ना आतां खातले म्हटल्यार.
आनी हांव आतां कितली 10 वर्सां काम केलां पूण आमगे आतां परिस्थिती बिकट जाला सामकी अशी. म्हाजे वयल्यान कळटा की लोकांली कितली परिस्थिती बिकट आसतली हें म्हाका कळोन येयलां. आनी ते हे आमगे सरकारान कितें केलां पळय तें सामकें हे बेगींतल्यान बेगीन दिवचें आनी तेंगे घरा कडेन पावोवचें कित्याक तेंगे सामकी अशी एक आत्महत्येचेर पावला तेंगे परिस्थिती. तर हे तेंगे बरो हेल्प केला हो एक बेगीन दिवचो कित्याक आतां भुरग्याले आमगेले इस्कॉला भुरगीं परत इस्कॉला तेंगे स्टार्ट जावचे आहा तांकां घरा कडेन पळोवपाक गेल्यार परिस्थिती अशी आहा की तांकां बूक हाडपा आनी ड्रेस शिवपा तेंचे कडेन परिस्थिती अशी बिकट जाल्या.
पयलीं एक टायमार की एक दिसाक एक 4-5 हजाराचो बिझनेस जातालो आयज 500 रुपया येवपाक मुश्कील जालें हांगसर. तेच प्रमाणे आमकांय हांगसर आतां भुरग्यांचें पेमेंट दिवपाक जाय ताका लागून आमचे खातीरय सरकारान कितें एक पॅकेज अशी दिवची जशी आमकां ट्रक ओनर्सांक दिल्या तशी आमकांय कितें पॅकेज दिवची.
हांव सरकारा कडेन मागता की ते 6,000 ते 12,000 हेजे मेरेन तरी मिनिमम हे दिवचे अशें म्हणून कित्या खातीर हे 3,000 कोणालेंच कांय जावचें ना.
सरकारान ती स्कीम दिली ती बरी आहा ती आमकां कांय मेळनासलें मायनींग बंद जाल्ल्या तरी आनी पोटा खातीर कितें तरी मेळटलें म्हणून ही खरी बरी आहा आनी हेज्याच बेगीन आमगे मायनींग चालू जावची म्हणून हे सरकारा कडेन आमगे मागणी आहा.
Food adulteration cases are on the rise, be it starch in the milk, artificial color in turmeric or chili powder, or an adulterated tea powder. Any food item can be adulterated, making it substandard and injurious to health. Sometimes it even turns toxic. With the help of Food and Drugs Administration, Prudent try to know some simple techniques to test adulterated food items. One can try them out in the home kitchen lab. Sneha Sabnis reports.
आम्ही आसात फूड अँड ड्रग्स ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशनच्या लॅबोरेटरीन. आम्ही पळयात फूड कशे तरेन एडल्ट्रेट करतात ते जाणून घेऊया. तुम्ही घरा बसून कशे तरेन सोदून काढू शकता की बाबा हातून कितें मिक्स केला काय ना ते.
जे आमचे घरा कडेन कितें वस्तू असतात सपोज हायड्रोक्लोरिक ॲसिड विच इज यूज फॉर वॉशिंग ऑफ टॉयलेट्स or tincture iodine. Based on those two chemicals, I can show some method to detect the adulteration. Chili powder from the market. This is mostly adulterated with sawdust, brick powder or any dirt material. For that, if any added color is there in the chili powder, you can detect with the simple water. Streaks of color will be seen on in the water. See. Otherwise, the chili powder will directly without giving any color. Tea powder. If they have added color, just take any blotting paper, just moisten tea powder on it. If it is genuine, no color will be seen on the paper. If the powder contains color, just sprinkle and sip from the behind. Sakrezo powder. तातूंत वेगवेगळे ते chalk powder घालता, नाल्यार sodium bicarbonate, which can be easily detected by adding little powder in a test tube. HCl, which is used for washing toilets and all. Just few drops of HCl If it is containing sodium bicarbonate, it will show effervescence, like bubbles will come. If it is negative, then it won't show anything. Milk is the major issue. If they have added water, just to identify if they have added water to the milk, can be easily take any glass or shining polished plate and just it will go slowly and leave the mark. If it is water is not added, if there is a water, then it will run straight. To test for starch, this iodine solution or tincture iodine, add a few drops. Where there is no starch, yellowish color will be remaining. Where there is starch to the milk, it will change to blue.
घरा बसून तुम्ही हो टेस्ट करू शकतात. सगळ्यात बेस्ट टेस्ट म्हणल्यार तुम्ही उदकाचो वापर करून फायंड आउट करू शकतात तातूंत कितें कलर बी मिक्स केला जाल्यार. तुळशीदास च्यारी वांगडा हांव स्नेहा सबनीस प्रुडंटा खातीर.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.